go. We done got you one.
Stop, dude. We need some framework done.
What's today? Sunday? Like what we're gonna do?
Welcome back to part 2 of this rebuild process on the frame machine. Today we are doing
What we said we were gonna do in the last video. Right, apron? Sure. We're gonna repair the apron, and then we're gonna replace the end cap on the rail.
Since then, we've received the seatbelts, we've received the module. The new dash is gonna get put in.
Already in.
Dumbass, I'm putting that clip.
Oh.
We got our seatbelts back. We got our module back.
The fun part begins. Gotta reassemble everything. Hey, did you bring a pick for the airbag?
Huh?
We think
No.
we got that right. We didn't get it on tape, but we put back the hood. We put it radiator support. And if we got time, we'll do the pulleys too.
What's that date? Dash is in, seatbelts are in. As you can see, dashboard is installed.
Car is running.
Am I talking or are you gonna be talking?
That was sick up.
We're just going through the functions. We got the radiator on and everything. Trying to see if the car gets up to temperature and it doesn't overheat. We are missing the clock spring. When we went to replace the airbags, these connectors were burnt onto the deployed airbag. So we're gonna have to order that, but that's really where we're at.
Go ahead.
We have the radiator support fitted up, but clearly, due to the accident, bolts aren't lining up. We do have to do a little bit of repairs on this apron, and we have to repair that or replace that end cap. This weekend, we're gonna have to take it to the shop and hopefully go from there.
We got a little ahead of ourselves, so that's already in there. A couple minor details to be done on the interior, you guys will see. But today, I think most importantly is gonna be this frame, so we can get everything kind of like started and in this shit, because we're tired of it already. I'm tired of it already. It's early in the morning and someone here needs coffee to operate, so it sounds like he's gonna get coffee.
This is replaceable, but there was no actual frame damage done to it. The bracket back here that got mangled. I'm gonna use mangled as a word. So we gotta replace that, but we have to find that from a donor. And then the actual damage is up here. Because as you can see, if you look through these holes, they don't line up properly. Twisted, it's bent, it's whatever, but it needs to get repaired. Ese güey ya se prendió.
Like that?
Quítense a la verga.
You know what you're doing, son?
No. Nah, let's go home.
Get out of here, bro.
I don't know, brother. This is crease right here. So I need you to hit this inward.
Say left.
Espérate, pues. Te tengo que jalar.
This car is never getting done, bro.
Ahora sí, pégale.
That's good hammering.
Whoever ends up with this car. Oh, wait.
And pull that one out of his ass.
How we looking?
We cooking. We just gotta fit up the radiator support, make sure that it lines up. The holes, most importantly. Because if these aren't in place, then that piece is not gonna fit. If that piece does not fit, we're gonna have terrible fitment.
It's like it never happened.
No, never.
It fits.
Make it fit. We're trying to glue pull the fat vent that's up on there. If not, we're just gonna result to them pulling it. We're trying to avoid getting it to bare metal, but I think that's gonna end up happening just because I don't have too much faith on the glue, but we'll see.
Action!
Beautiful. ¿Sí lo sacó, no?
Yeah, güey.
It did pull most of it, right?
Yeah, we definitely need a clean of everything.
That's gas money.
Doesn't sound too bad for stock.
No, that sounds really good. I like it.
Update. So we got the end cap off. We just have to straighten it out, make it look pretty. Weld this, weld the impact bar on. And then we got Ephraim working on this side with the little dent we got. He's gonna dent pull it with this machine here. And yeah, we have to go get a few more parts
Go from there. Auto body lessons 101. You pull the dent out to wax this metal upward. You weld it, you zap it.
Damn, bitch.
So
How
feel
we
it.
looking?
It's looking good.
This episode of That's Fucked Up, That's Fucked Up. The water pump is getting swapped out. Did not think it was gonna be too crazy, so he thought it's gonna be a little bit longer than expected. So probably gonna do some sort of time lapse. Got some Sandy to do here, so update y'all in a bit. I wait. Water pump is swapped. Took a little bit, but how'd that go?
As you can see, it's on, right?
I guess that's our answer, guys.
I was supposed to weld the end cap, but this guy was in my way, so I couldn't finish it.
So we're gonna fast forward to another day where we work on it.
Here we are, Sunday morning, another day, another dollar. Forgetting parts, but here we are, getting ready to weld end cap, and yeah. All right, just like that, it's welded. We're gonna hop on to straightening this out. I forgot this bracket in my truck, so I'm gonna have to weld this tomorrow. We're gonna make this look nice, and then we're just gonna pre-fit one last time, and then weld the impact bar and call it a day. We have a little bit of work to do left, but we're almost there. We got the fender on, put on the new hinges, so we're gonna test fit the gap between the fender and the hood, and then if everything squares up nicely, we're gonna throw on the radiator support one last time, and throw on the headlights, and then the bumper, just to double check.
You have been promoted!
Oh, damn.
Yo! What? The clock spring finally clean. I'm just gonna tell you something all the time. Damn!
¿Ya la pusiste? Ya. Eres una verga.
My son.